In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer, just like this one, into your Notion trip page. Whether you're planning a vacation, an event, or a big goal, this widget is a fun and easy way to stay excited and on track. First, head over to indify.co. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free or simply sign in using your Google account to make it quick. Once you're logged in, scroll down under Explore Widgets and find the countdown option. Hover over it and click Create Widget. After creating the widget, you'll first be asked to name your widget. This is just for your own reference in Indify. I'll call mine Countdown. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the widget setup screen. Here, under Event Title, give your countdown a name. I'll type in Trip to Bali. Then, set the exact date and time of your event. For me, that's the 20th of November 2025, the day we fly off. Next, choose your aesthetic. You can keep it text only, or try the newly added flip countdown style. I'll be using the flip countdown for this one. Now let's decide how the time is displayed. I like a simple and clean style, so I'm switching off months, weeks, hours, and seconds, keeping just days. There's also a Show Confetti on Completion option. By default, it's set to for 5 minutes, but I'll keep mine simple and set it to never. Next, you can choose whether to hide or show the to-go or a-go text. I'm keeping mine visible. You can also change the fonts for both the event title and the countdown numbers to match your page style. Finally, you can customize the colors, including the background, the text, and if you're using the flip style, the flipboard panels too. I'm going with a clean white background and black text, so it blends well into my Notion page. Before copying the link, there are 2 more settings you can leave on by default: Show Hover Menu and Show Customize button. These make it easy to edit your widget later, even after you've added it to Notion. I'm leaving both of them on so I can jump back into the settings with just one click. Once you're happy with your design, click the clipboard icon to copy the link. Then go to your Notion page, paste the link directly, and select Embed from the Paste as options that appear. In a few seconds, your live countdown timer will load. I've placed mine on the left side of my Trip to Bali page, right above the weather widget, with my itinerary in a gallery view on the right. It's a nice mix of function and excitement every time I open the page. Here's a quick tip. If you ever want to update the widget later, just hover over it and click the Customize button in the bottom right corner. It'll take you straight back to the Indify settings page to tweak anything instantly. And that's it! You now have a live countdown widget in Notion that updates automatically every day. Perfect for keeping the excitement going as your trip gets closer. I've also linked my full trip planning setup in the description if you want to try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips like this.